Hello everybody, Speckart is a decentralized e-commerce platform where any user can register as a seller or buyer. Here, we are avoiding the traditional escrow mechanism in e-commerce. All the transactions in this platform are done using the SPEC token. We have created a token market for the selling and buying of SPEC tokens. Now let's see how the whole platform works as a blockchain platform. Here the sellers can add the products to the blockchain, confirm or reject the order the seller received, confirm the shipment of the order the seller confirmed, and initiate a dispute if there is an issue that has to be dealt with the buyer. Similarly, the buyer can order the products from the platform, confirm the delivery of the ordered products, cancel the ordered products before the confirmation of the seller, and like the seller, the buyer can also initiate a dispute. Now about the admins. What exactly are the admins doing? The admins are a set of assigned people who are supposed to deal with the disputes. The admins will be receiving the initiated disputes, and after the thorough verification of the issue, they have to vote for the buyer or seller. Now you will be thinking why the admins have to do that. Both the seller and the buyer will be putting a 1% of the product amount on stake, on the platform, which they will receive back if no dispute was there. And in case of a dispute, the one who wins will get the amount back and the loser will be losing the stake amount, which will be distributed among the admins who voted for the winner. So only if you verify the issue correctly you will be receiving the amount. Now coming to blockchain and why we have used Redis and Speckart. As you see, Speckart is deployed on Ethereum platform. And we know that, for every transaction on the blockchain, a certain transaction fee has to be paid. So only the most important and relevant transactions are dealt with on the blockchain. Other cases like the shopping cart details, finding the most popular products, recording the recently viewed products, to search the product details, etc. are done on Redis. We are not exactly using any hectic databases in the blockchain. Every time we need data, we have to make a call to the blockchain. Imagine every time I view a product or add a product to the cart initiating a blockchain transaction. This is not a feasible method to practice. So we are using Redis to keep all the data we need frequently. A simple and fast database like Redis is the best solution for the problem we are facing. More than just keeping the data, it is not a good practice to initiate a blockchain transaction which would actually deduct transaction fee for the small cases like the cart details, recently viewed products, etc. Now coming to the Speckart Redis architecture. Depending on the use cases we have used the Redis keywords. We stringified the cart details and set that correspondingly for each user's Ethereum address as the key. We have used lists for recently viewed products and sorted sets for popular products so that we can find the most popular ones from their counts. And more importantly, we have used the Redis search module to search for the elements based on the categories. It enables users to execute complex search queries on the Redis dataset in an extremely fast manner. Redis search, not just for Speckart, but for every e-commerce platform, is a true alternative to other search engines that might get crashed as the load increases. Imagine if there are thousands of products on the platform, and in order to search for a product of a particular category or keyword, we have to put a load on the browser which actually affects the user experience. Whereas Redis search works great as a standalone search engine for retrieval of searchable data. Now coming to the chat rooms. If you have to sell a lot of products, you should care about advertising. In a decentralized model, users have control of everything. And that's why we have implemented the chat room into the platform. So basically anyone can recommend the products they like, in this chat room. And in the chat room of admins you can discuss your views on the whole dispute mechanism and how the admins are acting. We have used socket.io, Redis pub/sub, other few commands like multi, execasync, and also sets and lists for the chat room. And if there are multiple servers, the Redis pub/sub mechanism makes the whole system more scalable and makes the socket.io work in a more efficient way. And this is how Redis helps Speckart, blockchain platform, by providing services not just as a database but for multiple purposes. Thank you so much for watching the video. A working demo of Speckart will be played after this.